have this problem where I cannot lock in unless my life is at risk. So we are pulling an all-nighter sponsored by fear and 5 hours of denial. Hi guys, so it's around 5:30 right now and I came to Shell. We came back now, so let me give you guys a little haul. My brother got this Epigamia's 25-gram protein milkshake, and I don't know why he got this donut. They are literally total opposites in the calorie. I got this Max protein bar and this peach flavored Coolberg. I'm trying this for the first time. I have tried Predator, I have tried Red Bull, but those were out of my budget, to be honest. So I got this. So welcome to a half-wasted, half-productive Sunday. So from morning I've been addicted to one guy's blog on medium.com. It's so interesting. He's written about bug bounty programs he has done, and I literally got inspired by that. I want to start vulnerability hunting in any of the websites I get. So I found out this website which needs API testing, and I have been literally practicing API testing from past a month. I low-key realized I have to attend this test literally 2 hours before the deadline. It's like 11:40 right now. I finished my test. Literally my brain's been rotting. They asked 2 programming questions. My brain got fully fried. I got through it. I scrolled YouTube for a bit. Actually down to studying right now. I'm gonna firstly revise my API testing. It's like 1:12 right now. I am again reading blogs, as you can see here, because I needed some insight over something. So my laptop is literally making some weird noise. Loki, my brain is so cooked right now. I'm learning this language called GraphQL. If you guys are learning anything new, please don't watch YouTube tutorials, just go to their website or Wikipedia, start reading the documentation. That's the best way to learn. It's almost 2 right now and I'm gonna have this. So, it's last day of June. And it's been a great month because I've almost been staying at home, focusing on my health, my workouts, my studies, placements. But doing this, college has already told us that from next week I have to go to college. Because of that, I am doing this all-nighter as well to just get some things over which I have in mind. So hungry actually. It's 3 a.m. and I finished most of my part studying. My eyes are literally should read it. I just finished reading one chapter, just a random one. I don't read in chronological order. I came to my bed and I'm all cozy, but I have like last minute work that I have to set up my Notion for my journaling, so I'm gonna do that and I'm just gonna sleep.